If you have missed out on the last few that we've had, this one has just arrived. This is the new model, new generation Range Rover D300 SE with only 400 miles on, 2022 registration. We all know you have to wait a very long time to get one of these cars. Now we've got one, it's here, it's physical, in the Eiger Grey with a Shadowline pack on it, but this has got a few extras which I'll show you in a few seconds. The first one is a technology pack which has got the heads-up display, and I've not seen many on the with the heads-up display on the SEs. Now this one, 22 registration, still has the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. It's a new model car, so everything is different about it, from the styling to the front grille, the pixel LED headlights with the daytime running lights, the front bumper. You've then got things like 360 view camera system, so that's front camera, side camera and rear cameras. Front rear parking sensors with parallel park assist. All the beautiful flush bumpers there, which then takes me onto the electric deployable flush door handles as well. This car also has another big extra, which are them wheels. These wheels are absolutely stunning. They're 22-inch in size, finished in high gloss black, which then takes me onto the side of the car. The atlases have changed now, again with a Shadowline pack. It's got that lovely anthracite grey finish to it. This combination has the contrasting black roof, sun protection glass, and then as for the interior, that's just absolutely amazing. Such a wonderful sight. It's fantastic, this car. You've got the ambient lighting pack on it. You've got the full leather interior, electric seats, memory seats and heated seats. The heated seats are also for the back passengers and the rear seats. The new style steering wheel, 13.1-inch media screen, which has got the curved glass in it. The car is absolutely mega, but when you look up, this car also has the tilt and sliding panoramic roof, the Meridian sound system, the Grand Veneer black interior inlays, the extended leather on the door cards, top and bottom, more ambient lighting. This is a stunning car, and you can see why our customers really do break their backs to get in one of these, because they're brilliant, absolutely superb. Third zone climate control, more ambient lighting, beautiful rich leather interior. The contrasting colours in the interior are again awesome. Centre armrest for the front passengers, and there's also a centre armrest for the rear passengers. With the whole styling round the back with the new lighting system, the black panelling, the sort of pulsating indicators with a dynamic finish, the more refined, aggressive and sporty rear diffuser. This is an amazing car from every single angle. The D300 has 300 brake horsepower, 3-litre diesel engine, great running cost, superb sound to the engine. It's nice and quiet and very easy to drive. I mean, they are so comfortable. You've got 4-wheel steering as well. I've mentioned this in a previous video. It's amazing what difference that makes for turning, for just driving, parking. It is absolutely out of this world. You've then got, on this one, the rear boot mat here to keep it looking nice and clean. And underneath, you've got the more cubbyhole space with a foam kit. The seats go down electronically and the switches are just here. You've then got the bag holders as well, more 12-volt sockets, and then the tonneau cover which hides all the valuables. Nice and neat. Press the button, bottom goes up, top goes down. The Eiger Grey is a fabulous colour, especially with the contrasting black roof. It makes a difference with the backlighting, the wheels. Everything just seems to flow very, very well. Comfort access and keyless entry is what you've got. Electric windows and mirrors. The new style steering wheel and the new digital dash here, which is again fabulous. Push button start, and you can hear straight away the engine is very nice and quiet. You can't even tell it's a diesel anymore. There's a heads-up display showing you how fast you are going, how fast it should be going, navigation details, Bluetooth details. The finishing to all the trimmings all the way around the car is absolutely spot on. And then your reversing camera system with a 360 is just there. This car, part of the tech pack, also has the clear sight rear view mirror system as well, so you can see exactly what's behind you. There's a camera on top of the roof just there. The Grand Veneer black finish to the interior inlays over here slides backwards and forwards, giving you the twin cup holders. Centre armrest is bigger than before, and underneath you have more cubbyhole space as well. Seating position, like all the Range Rovers, are absolutely brilliant. You're sat on top of the world, lots of glass, great visibility. Everything that you touch and feel just seems wonderful. With 400 miles on, this car is physical, it's available, it's here. It won't be for long, because every time we've had one, it sells pretty much straight away. So if you like what you see, give me a call, get the car reserved, and just come and collect it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.